Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. What a great day. I'm Gary Christians. You know me as the van guy. I got a lot of vans today. Big surprise, 2019 Roadtrek SS Agile used. Extremely low miles, close to 1,000 or so. It's got all the equipment. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is on the short chassis, so it's going to be in the 20-foot range. Move back here in the rear. This has an electric couch that you push and it lays down nice and flat. It makes into two twin beds, or you can take the board right down here, fill in the center, slide your cushions out, and you got a nice queen size bed. You have your entertainment center over here. Nice TV. You just turn this little lever and this pulls out and around for viewing from up front. DVD player is here. Up above you've got a switch for surround sound or automotive, so you can have the speakers here in the back. Good storage here in the back. And of course this goes full width because it goes full width over here. You got a plug right in here. Nice cabinet up on top. This has got an all-the heating system, in-floor heat. The controls are right back in here, so you can power off diesel. No propane. Induction cooktop. You just need to have a magnetized pot to make that work. And it's almost instantaneous. It gets hot very quick and cools down very quick. Not like a second, but it's very close. Here's your inverter switch. There's two inverters. There's your solar panel up here. Fuse box and circuit breakers are easy to get to, and they're well marked. Sink. Faucet pops up, and then when you want counter space, you got a nice amount of counter. This is your table, which I'll go over that when we get up front. Full extension drawers. Got a nice pantry. Convection microwave. Little storage down below on both sides. And before we go too far, let's take a look at the bathroom. It's got a travel lock. This is in the up position so you can open it. You shove it all the way down to lock it on that lower lip so the door doesn't rattle. So in here you've got shower curtain that extends all the way out here for elbow room. This is your shower faucet as well as your faucet. Nice light, good place to hang this up here. You're going to want to turn it on and off so you don't use so much water. You have a little exhaust fan up on top and a frosted window to let in some light. LED lights throughout the entire unit. This has got a lithium battery. It's a 200 lithium unit. Got storage all the way up top across. Your command center is right here. Your main inverter switch is here. Battery disconnect switch and all your tank capacities. Again, there's no propane. There's no generator. It has an underhood generator. So it runs off your engine and charges up your battery system. When you swing both of these chairs around, which I'll do here just in a second, you have a nice front living room. So if you wanted to, you could leave your bed made up. Oh, just got it. So this swings out. Your tabletop extends and folds out. And of course, this seat uses part of this table and the counter, while this seat turns around and utilizes the rest. I'll swing the passenger seat around for you real quick. I always go out backwards so I don't slip. Whoops. Go around the other way. Whoops. No, it's down below. There we go. Nice leather seats. And Mercedes, the seats are highly adjustable. You've got a lever right here, so you can raise the seat up. You have a knob here which raises this up and down, so you can get it all fine-tuned wherever you like it the best. 6-cylinder, 5-speed automatic transmission, tilt, telescoping steering wheel. Mercedes has got a great warranty. It's a great unit. Our 22-foot models, when we had a rental company, we're getting 20 to 22 miles per gallon. This one, of course, is the same engine and tranny, but it's a smaller unit, so it should get a little bit less, you'd think. Directly above your head, if you glance up there, there's a fantastic fan. Very important feature. You can open up the vents, turn that on, and it's on a remote control, so you can have the remote wherever you want to vary the speed, etc., or just shut it off. You do have a table like here for a table in the back if you wanted to set up your couch and dine in the back of the van. So we're going to hit the disconnect here, turn off the power, shut off the battery, and let's go outside and take a look. Electric step's a nice feature. Electric awning, push a button, it goes out. A few inches or 8 feet. It makes it nice, so if something comes up, all you have to do is just stand up and hit the switch and it retracts. Good storage in the rear of the unit. You can see all your power inverters, your bass for your surround sound. And then if you look right up here, there's the controls for that Alta heater. And over on the right side, there's the electrical outlet, and then you have your controls for your couch in the back. Heat and all your temperature controls in that little white box. You do have another outlet up above. Reading lights on both sides, 12 volts. Very well thought out and very well equipped. This is a unique floor plan. We don't know if we're going to see one again. Roadtrek went out of business last year. They've got rebought, but we don't know what they're going to make, if they're ever going to offer this. If you like this floor plan, we've got one left. Outdoor shower. And right here is your power cord. It's just a little magnet that holds it closed. Black, gray tank, a plunger to loosen the impeller if you do put something down you're not supposed to. This is the macerator hose that's hooked up. You pull it out, put it in, turn the valve in line as it is now, and hit your switch that I'm going to show you here in just a second. Driver's door opens up, and then you can open up the fuel fill. Takes just the regular old diesel that they sell. Macerator switch is right here. Now you can also see this on Facebook, The Van Guy. I've got a lot of videos posted there, as well as on our website. If you do have a question, just call me up. My email's listed, but you can call me direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your time and look forward to talking with you. Good day.